In 2023, the esports industry was actually valued at a massive 2.3 billion US dollars. But by 2033, it's expected to reach over 16 billion in combined market cap. That's why when we see projects in the blockchain and crypto space target this industry, we know that there is a lot of potential there in terms of ROI if you get involved with those projects early. None of this is financial advice, but today we're going to go through the Fatestone ecosystem. Let's dive into it. This is Fatestone. If we zoom in here, we can actually see these guys have a pretty incredible mission. We can see that Fatestone is an innovative Web3 esports aggregation platform that aims to provide a decentralized, transparent, and interactive ecosystem for the global esports enthusiasts out there. This will essentially take the esports industry, attach crypto to it as an economy, and make the whole thing thrive a lot easier and better than before. This could range from NFT virtual items, it could range from RWA or real world items, and obviously the prize pools associated with esports could be a massive benefit here for a platform like this. We can see the decentralized event organization system is basically going to be where people can create, manage, and participate in various esports events, allowing for prize pools, allowing for organization and brackets for those esports events as well. So really cool ambition here from this project. They're also going to be doing staking and trading on this platform as well. So that could be something that's massive, trading between games and accounts for a better community environment. And then this is all going to be powered by the Fate token, as we can see here. This will be a proof of stake thing. It has 810 billion supply. And if we scroll down here to the tokenomics, we can see 40% for game mining, 50% for pledge mining, and a market value on the exchange for 5%, which will obviously be liquidity, and then 5% for ecological construction. So pretty decent project here so far. They also have a staking and node reward system here, where if you do participate, you can get pretty decent rewards to say the least. You can also join guilds in their community and actually get bonus fate for doing so, as you can see here. This is obviously going to go up depending on how much you actually put into this. So that's fantastic. And then if we scroll down here, we can actually see that we do have a My Friends section. So they are going to have pretty decent referral systems in place for this as well. It actually says in their documents that they have a unique invite-based reward system where players can, yes, stake their tokens, earn high APY, and participate in a growing GameFi ecosystem. So as you can see, you've got mining revenue here. We've got promote hash, my fate. And guys, one thing I would definitely advise here is to actually join their Telegram community at the bottom here. If we scroll down to the bottom here, we can see their socials. Now, if you want to join their community, you can see here they have over 18,000 members in their Telegram group. And we can see here in the Telegram group, guys, that there is a buzzing community all sharing various different things. We have a recent event here that people are sharing videos about, and a really vibrant community to say the least here. So I would highly recommend actually going in and joining this and joining the fun here. But if we focus on their staking here, guys, for this project, they actually say that if you stake between 250,000 and 3 million fate, you actually get a super high return. The key focus is going to be on staking and trading, where the more people that get involved, the bigger this ecosystem can get, allowing people to earn more rewards from the whole ecosystem operating. As well as that, this token is actually already on a centralized exchange. It's got Hybit here, which is actually showing that you can actually buy Fate as a coin right now. So definitely go ahead, get over there and pick some of this up. It looks like a fantastic coin with a lot of uptrends involved here. Another super bullish point here about this project is they are listed on a tier 1 exchange. You can see here right now we're on Bitmart, and yes, the Fate token is on this exchange and it's looking pretty bullish as well. So definitely check this one out. And actually, if you do want to go and buy this, then definitely do it on Bitmart, because that's probably going to be one of the most accessible exchanges to do so. But what's interesting about this is they've actually labeled this innovation as the project type, which I think is an incredibly bullish sign. The fact Bitmart are actually labeling them with bullish remarks here. If we do head over to their X account here, we can see that they are verified, which is fantastic. And they do have over 500,000 followers with really decent engagement on their posts. So good stuff there. Definitely check this out in the description. So that is the Fate token and ecosystem. Definitely something that is revolutionizing and innovating on the esports industry, targeting that eventual 16 billion market cap. If they can get a decent market share as this token, then you can imagine the market cap of the token after you have bought it as well. So fantastic stuff there. Definitely check out Fate in the description, and I will see you in the next one.